Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today I share with you a very simple yet delicious recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients. Okay, I have my protein. As for the protein, please feel free to use any type of protein of your choice. For this special recipe, it is possible. And I have also my spices, and remember, spices is always of your choice. So today I'm using only dry spices like ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, white pepper. You can choose to use only black pepper or white pepper, but I'm using both. Okay, and also I have paprika powder, and I have my vegetable oil or cooking oil. You can also use any type of oil of your choice, guys. This is so simple, guys, and yet delicious. Like I said, after this video, I know you are going to try it, and trust me on this, you will love it, guys. Okay, so now I'll go in some little bit of salt and make sure to mix it very well, guys. So moving forward, my pan is already on fire and I'm going to go in with some cooking oil. So moving forward, I'll also go in with the meat and fry the meat for about just 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so while that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers and also the returnees. You guys are amazing. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Okay, God bless you wherever you are. Okay, here it's time to take the meat out from the fire. And I'm going to also use the same oil to prepare the sauce. Yes, because the oil has all the flavor in it. It got all the spices from the meat. So there's no need for me to throw them, So we are going to use it. Okay, just try it next time. I'm going to add onions into the pot. Okay, and I'm also going in with the hot pepper. Alright, so the pepper, I slice it instead of me blending it. Like I said, this is different cabbage recipe, okay? And you have to also lower your fire. You have to put it on the medium heat so everything will be steamed. Okay, now I'm also introduced to you my seasoning. I'm going to use 2 cubes of vegetable seasoning, guys. This is going to be delicious. And after that, I'll give it a stir. So at this point, I am not going to add no salt because I seasoned the meat with a little bit of salt, and now these 2 cubes. So you have to be watchful, otherwise you spoil the sauce. Okay, so here I'm also going to go in with the main ingredients, the cabbage. Yes, I'm using white cabbage, guys, and I'm going to add all of this and cover it, and after that I'll come back to you guys. So after 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. So I go in with black pepper, white pepper, and also paprika powder, guys. And after that, I'll also go in with the meat. Okay, alright guys, so if you are watching my video till now and you are not subscribing to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your loved ones, like, and also click the bell notification button so that you will get every video that I upload on YouTube. Thank you all so much. Alright, so the meat is in there, and I'll also go in with my green pepper and also the green onions, scallions, guys. Na hwamono busiafo se o try a me patcho tag me wate. Ai aduane we de ye. Share. Hey dear, and they are very simple. It's in me so bomodiana we ya. Now was sending me there by post. I'm kidding. Right, so I tasted the salt, but I realized that the salt is not enough. So instead of salt, I'm adding Maggi aroma or Maggi sauce. Okay, feel free to add whatever you have, and I'm giving it a gentle stir and cover it for additional 3 minutes. So the sauce is ready. Like I said, I'm going to pair with white rice, but if you don't like white rice, you can also pair with yam or noodles. This sauce is so delicious that you can actually pair with anything, trust me. So guys, everything is coming to an end, and trust me, you are going to love this recipe. Add this recipe into your Christmas list. Your family will love it and thank me later. So guys, thank you all so much for watching the video till now, and I will meet you with another video. Thank you. Until then, stay cool, stay calm, and stay blessed wherever you are. May God protect us all. Bye bye. Mwah.